Are you running into that BLZBNTAGT000008A4 error while trying to fire up Call of Duty Warzone or any other BAL.net games? Don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through fixing that error in Call of Duty Warzone or any other BAL.net games on your PC. Let's dive right into the solutions without any delay. Solution 1. First, reset your network configuration settings using PowerShell. To do this, first click on the search icon here and type in PowerShell. Next, right-click on Windows PowerShell, select Run as Administrator, and then click on Yes. Now here, type netsh winsock reset, then hit Enter. Then type ipconfig/flushdns and hit Enter. After that, type in ipconfig/release and hit Enter. Now type ipconfig/renew and press Enter. Next, type in netsh intip reset and hit Enter. Don't worry, I'll leave these commands in the video description below. Lastly, reboot your computer and check if the error is gone. Solution 2. Change to a better DNS server. To do this, first open command prompt. If you can't find it, type cmd in the search bar and command prompt will come up. Click to open it. Now type ping 1.1.1.1 and press Enter. Doing this will give you the minimum, maximum, and average ping of this DNS. Next, type ping 8.8.8.8 and press Enter. And this will give you the minimum, maximum, and average ping of this DNS. After you find out which DNS has the lowest ping, go to Settings and click on Network and Internet. Then click on Ethernet. Now click on the Edit button next to the DNS server assignment. Next, select Manual from here and turn on IPv4 if it's turned off. Now on the preferred DNS box, set the DNS server with the lowest ping. Move on to alternate DNS. Here type 1.0.0.1 if you're using 1.1.1.1 DNS server. But if you're using 8.8.8.8, type 8.8.4.4. Lastly, click Save. Now you should be able to open Warzone without getting this error. Solution 3. If the error is still popping up, try running on compatibility options. To do this, right-click on Call of Duty from your desktop and click on Open File Location. Now go to the Retail folder. Then scroll down and find COD. Now right-click on it and select Properties. Next, switch to the Compatibility tab. Now tick the Run this program as Administrator box. After that, click on Apply and then on OK to save your settings. Next, right-click on BAL.net icon from your desktop and click on Properties. Then switch to the Compatibility tab. Now tick the Run this program as an Administrator box. After that, click on Apply and then on OK to save your settings. By now, you should be able to play the game without getting this error. So that's how you troubleshoot the BLZBNTAGT000008A4 error in Call of Duty Warzone or any other BAL.net games. If the video helped you out, please hit the like button. And if you're still struggling with this issue, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching.